Paint protection film, or PPF, is a vinyl product that goes on the outside of the paint of your vehicle. This is typically in clear, but sometimes it comes in a matte finish as well. Paint protection film's most important quality is that it's going to protect your vehicle from things like rock chips, from scratches, from road debris, or from things like acorns falling on your vehicle. It makes it a little less likely to get dented and significantly less likely to get scratched. It also makes it where if the vehicle does get scratched or dented or dinged or chipped, it's a peelable surface that you can take off, repair anything that's underneath, and then re-put it over the top without having to repaint the entire vehicle. This is the huge cost savings to your vehicle. And right now, with collision centers and parts being backed up as much as they are, paint protection film is almost like an insurance policy, ensuring that if your vehicle does get damaged, it's significantly faster and easier and less expensive to repair.